Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make another baby blanket. I saw in the last video that you love the baby blanket that I teach you. Well, I will show you to make another baby blanket and I'm sure that you will love it too. It is so pretty too and easy and fast. If you know someone that is going to have a baby or you are going to have a baby, this will be the perfect garment for a gift or for start preparing yourself to give the welcome to your baby. Well, let's start. I will give you the material list and I will show you a diagram so you can see how we are going to make it. For this baby blanket, we are going to need 40 skein of yarns or 400 grams of middle thickness. Look the color, it has to be, look, something like this, of this thickness. Well, look all the colors, they are so bright and are perfect for boys and girls. The yarn that I'm going to use is Alice Sekerim. It's so beautiful and of good quality, so I like to make the blankets small. If you want to make a bigger blanket, you will make more change than the one that I'm going to tell you, and you will need one more skein of yarn. So you will need 500 grams and one hook of 3.5 millimeters. So let's start right away. To start, we are going to make 90 chains. You are going to crochet loose. I like to make this size because it's perfect for your stroller, or for my UK friends, it's perfect for your baby pushchairs, prams or boogies. This size is perfect for that. But remember that if you want to make it bigger, you will make 110 or 120 chains. Well, here I finished. I made 90 chains. Now I will make 2 chains more. We are going to insert into the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here always in this part of the chain in between. Well, so grab your yarn and bring it through. Now insert into the next chain and make extended double crochet. Grab your yarn, bring it through, and bring it through. The whole row you are going to make extended double crochet. You are going to have 90. Here I finished this row. Remember that if you are going to make 100 chains, you are going to have 100 extended double crochet, and like this. Turn around and chain 3. Well, pay attention in this part. We are going to count 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fold a little bit your project like this and insert into this space, and now we are going to make 4 extended double crochets here. Here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will love this stitch, it looks like in relief. I will make it again so you can see how it is. Chain 3, and now again count 4, and fold again, and here. You are going to continue like this the whole row. Remember, chain 3 and 4 extended double crochet in this space. At the end, you will love the way this blanket looks. Well, I will make it again. I want to make sure that you will learn this stitch so well. I'm finishing this extended double crochet. Now chain 3. Look, you will fold like this, count 4, and here fold the extended double crochet that you made before, and in this space you will make 4 extended double crochet. Continue like this the whole row. Well, so far it has to look like this. Here I'm finishing this row. Look how it looks, all the colors. Look, this looks like a candy, right? I love it. Here I finished this row. Now turn around your project like this. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. You will make the same. Now you are going to take this part of the stitch and you are going to make 4 extended double crochet. You have to take care where you are going to insert the hook, okay? Well, I'm going to continue like this the whole row. I'm sure you will love this stitch. I have used this stitch with another garments, but I think in this case is my favorite. Well, this is the next one, extended double crochet. Now we are going to take like this, and here we are going to insert into, and we are going to start making 4 extended double crochet. This stitch seems to be difficult, but now as you can see it's so simple and fast. The only thing is that you have to take care where you are going to insert into the hook. Here I'm finishing this extended double crochet. Now chain 3, and now this is the next one. Here we are going to insert into this extended double crochet, always taking the back side of the double crochet. This will be the right side and this will be the wrong side. And here is where we are going to start making the 4 extended double crochet. You have to practice and practice and practice. That's the best secret. We are going to continue like this until we have the square that we want and the size of the blanket that we desire. Well, so far it has to look like this. I know that you will love it and it will worth it. Remember, when you turn around your project, you are going to take this part, okay? So I'm going to continue and see you when I finish. I'm going to make the big square with the 90 chains that I told you. Look how it looks. It looks beautiful. Look all the colors. I love the way it looks. It looks like a candy, right? Well, I'm going to teach you how you are going to count the rows. Here you have 1 and 2. So here you will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, where I have 56 rows. At the end, I got a rectangle with these 56 rows. But I think it looked good, so I recommend 56 rows, okay? Well, at the end of these rows, you are going to make 1 row of single crochet all around the garment, and then we are going to make the final edge. So first we have to make 1 row of single crochet. I will start making this row, remember, all around the blanket, and you have to take care to take these stitches. Look, here you are going to have to take care to take these stitches, especially in this part. Well, I'm going to continue. Remember that you don't have to crochet tight, you have to crochet loose. I am going to stop in this part because it's a little bit confusing. You don't have to take these stitches, you have to take this one. I counted, and approximately you have to make 3 single crochet in each square or bubble. And like this, the whole rectangle. Well, I'm going to continue and see you when I finish this row of single crochet. Well, here I finish all the row, and so far it has to look like this. And here I already started making the final row of waves. You will make 5 chains, 1 single crochet, and again 5 chains and 1 single crochet. It is so easy. The only thing that you have to take care is to not put the waves together, okay? You have to leave 1 or 2 spaces in between. For example, here I leave 1 space in between, then 2, then 1, then 2. Here in the corner we are not going to leave spaces, because if we leave spaces, it will look like a spoon, so it will look tight. Okay, so 5 chains, Then here I leave 2, so here I'm going to leave 1. And here we are going to make 4 waves together, here in the corner, without leaving spaces. Okay, chain 5, and here we are going to insert into the next stitch. And like this here, just in the corner. And here in the next stitch, then 5 change, insert into the next stitch. Remember, only in the corners, okay? Here I have 1, 2 and 3, so I'm going to make 1 more. Look, here I finished the row, and now I'm going to slip 1 to close. And then we are going to slip 1 until being the top of the wave, here. So you're going to slip 1 like this, okay? Until being the top of the wave. Look, here I am. Chain 3. And here in the top of the wave, we are going to make 5 extended double crochet. I will make it slowly so you can see how it is. Look. So you will make 5 like this one in the same chain, okay? Here I'm making the third one, then 4 and 5. Well, once you finish this 5 extended double crochet, you are going to take your hook and you are going to insert into this chain and you are going to bring it through. And look, it looks like a bubble, right? Close with 1 chain and then chain 3. And you will insert into the next chain in the top of the wave. Again, chain 3, and here we are going to start making the 5 extended double crochet in the same chain. Look, here we have 1, then where I'm going to make it the second one, 3, 4 and 5. Then take your hook and here in the first chain, insert into. Pay attention, you are going to insert into the hook here in the last or in the first chain. Well, bring it through, chain 1 to close, and then make 3 chains more. So remember always to make 4 chains at the end, 1 for close and 3 more. Like this we are going to make the whole row, okay? So I'm going to continue and see you when I finish. Look, here I finished. I'm going to slip 1 to close, and then you are going to slip 1 until here, the half of this chain, because we are going to start making this row in the half of this chain. So make 5 chains, 4 and 5, and then single crochet here, again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and insert into here, make single crochet, and like this we are going to make 1 row of waves, and in the next 1 row we are going to make 1 row of bubbles, but we are not going to place the bubbles in the same place of the last row, so we are going to put the bubble here. Okay, so let's continue and see you when I finish. Well, for this size I'm going to make just 2 rows of bubbles and 3 rows of waves. Remember that if you want a bigger blanket, you are going to make 2 rows of bubbles more and you will make 3 rows of waves. But in this case, I'm thinking that I'm going to make just the rows that I made. Well, here I made 1 row of waves, and now I'm going to start making the last final edge. Well, here I already slip until where I start. Make 4 chains for 1 row of picot stitch. Make single crochet, close, make 2 chains more, and insert into here. So this will be my last row. Look how it would look. Pretty, right? I will make it slowly so you can see how it is. Chain 4, and then come back in the second chain and make 1 single crochet. 2 chains more and insert into this chain, and like this the whole row, okay? So I will continue and see you when I finish. Look, here I finished. Remember that if you want to make a bigger blanket, you are going to add more rows of waist and bubbles. Make a knot here, and then this thread you are going to hide through the garment, okay? I love the way the colors look. It's perfect for boys and girls. Your baby will look so sweet and pretty with this blanket. Well, here it is, our baby blanket. A lot of people ask me where you can get the materials that I use. Well, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es and you will find this kind of yarn and many more that are perfect for babies. If you are close to Spain, remember that you can visit our warehouses in Madrid, Móstoles. Here I will leave you the address and you can visit us whenever you want. It will be a pleasure to give the welcome to all of you. Well, I will call this baby blanket in honor of a cousin that is going to have a baby girl, so that's why I put this pink ribbon. So I will call this blanket Polet. In the next video I will make one summer garment, but then I will upload a video of this jacket to have the complete outfit with the same stitch and with the same color, and I'm sure your baby will look so beautiful with the jacket matching the blanket. It is a promise, okay? Well, I enjoy making this blanket so much. I hope that you too. I will continue making baby stuff, and if you have any idea, please let me know and leave me in the comments. Well, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments, share. I really enjoy making this video. As I told you, I love it to make it. Remember to visit my online store or the warehouse if you are close to Spain or if you are around Europe. It was a pleasure to teach you to make this blanket. Thanks for watching. Bye!